Good afternoon, Hail Stalkers. This is Derek Klein coming to you from the Hail Palace today. Another active afternoon beginning to shape up across portions of the southeast again. We have actually got a high risk in effect. That's for tornadoes today. So the hail threat's actually going to come down just a little bit because of the linear nature of these storms. Also the amount of storms, the lack of instability that's in place. But the wind shear is through the roof, pun intended there, and it's going to still produce some hail. So we're going to be watching that. And but first of all, again, high risk is in effect for tornadoes. So you do need to be careful. You need to be safe. If you're in Georgia, if you're in Alabama, if you're in Florida, if you're in South Carolina, any of those states, it's going to be a pretty active afternoon. So make sure that you're prepared, that you're ready, and that you know what to do just in case there is a severe thunderstorm or a tornado in your area. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the hail forecast for this afternoon. So again, watching quite a few areas, again, with at least the chance of hail, okay? So we're going to go North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, and then down into Florida, having the best chance for at least seeing some hail this afternoon. There's already been a little bit in Florida. And so we'll watch those chances continue to increase as we go through the afternoon. The biggest hail we think is going to happen in two different areas. Okay, so the first area being across southern South Carolina, into Georgia, into southeastern Alabama, and then down into really most of Florida. Okay, so that's the first area. This is also where the highest tornado threat's going to be for this afternoon. So this is the area that you need to be most aware, most knowing what's going on. This is also the area with the chance for the largest hail. The upper level low, as it moves and lifts off to the north and east, it's going to create a second area. And we're going to watch that area for at least the potential for another area of large hail, probably right around golf ball size in this part of the country. So that'll be the other area that we'll watch. So again, hail up to 2-inch in diameter or about the size of limes as possible in this southern area, red area. And then we'll go with a chance up to golf ball size in the northern area up in North Carolina and South Carolina. Chances for hail at any one location, we're going to go 15% chance in Charlotte. We're going to do about a 10% chance in Atlanta. We're going to do about a 20% chance over here in Savannah, Georgia, in that area for this afternoon. We're going to do about a 20% chance in the Panhandle, and the highest threat is going to be from about Tampa up through Orlando, up towards about Jacksonville, into Gainesville, Florida. We're going to go about a 25% chance for large hail in that part of the country. So let's take a look at each individual location, see what we have in tail. So we're going to start out in Atlanta, Georgia. Again, 3 to 7 p.m., the best chance for hail. Hail size a little bit smaller. We've got this in the green here, 1.25-inch hail. The chance for hail, about 10%. And there could be some 70-mile-per-hour winds in some of the worst storms as they move through the Atlanta area. So we're going to watch, again, all of this in the Atlanta, Georgia area. Now, as we shift off to the north just a little bit, we're going to head up towards Charlotte. Hail size comes up just a tad. Again, that upper level low moves in, dynamics a little bit better, a little bit more instability, a little bit more heat potential at least. We'll see if this happens. But golf ball size hail is possible. 1.75-inch hail is possible with that. Again, around 5 to 8 p.m. Okay. Chance of hail still only about 15%. So again, we've really dropped the chances of hail over the last couple of days. And some winds not quite as strong as in Atlanta, but about 60-mile-per-hour winds possible with some of the worst storms in North and South Carolina. All right, let's drop south. Now we're going to take a look at Gainesville, Florida. Again, timing 3 to 8 p.m. So here in the next 1 to 2 hours, storms developing. They're actually already developing in parts of the area, and those are going to continue through about 8, maybe 9 p.m. The chance of hail about 25% and up to 2-inch hail, so a little bit bigger. Not quite as big as the last couple of days. Chances not quite as high as the last couple of days, but again, there will be some hail around, and we're going to be watching that as it moves through. Winds, 80-mile-per-hour winds, definitely a possibility in some of the stronger storms, and of course tornadoes, real likelihood in this part of the country. So if you're in Florida or Georgia, that's the area to watch out. So that's the forecast for now. Again, we'll be shooting out text alerts. We'll be really just taking care of our clients, so doing everything that we promised, text alerts, hail maps, doing all kinds of stuff for you guys as we go through the afternoon hours. So we'll be watching that attentively. If you have any questions, you can hit us up at Hailtrace on Twitter. You can also check us out at info@hailtrace.com. Just give us an email there, or just give us a shout, 855-334-4245. Look forward to hearing from you. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.